Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys some of my favorite apps that I like to use on my Mac that help me be productive on the Mac. So these are the top 5 Mac apps that I use every single day just to help me and with my workflow with the Mac. So let's begin. So the first one is called Unsplash. So you probably heard about Unsplash. Unsplash is a fun, cool platform where you get to download free wallpapers and use them for whatever you want. You can use them for your wallpapers on your iPhone, wallpapers on your Mac, or for anything that you want to do with it. And so how I use Unsplash is, of course, on my Mac. I like to use it a lot. I like to customize my Mac, of course, with different types of wallpapers depending on the setup and everything. And maybe for a video I'm recording, I like to change it up, of course, the wallpapers. So you probably saw already in a ton of videos, I usually have a different wallpaper almost for every type of video I make. And that's just because I just want something else, something different for that video. And so having Unsplash on the Mac just helps me just change up the mood, of course, and the setup and everything, and the look and feel to it. So it's really easy to download, of course. It's free to download the app. And what I like about it is just really easy to switch it up with the Mac app. And it's just easy to use, really simple, and it's just a fantastic app to have if you just want to customize your Mac and have a different feel to it with wallpapers on it. Next, we have Simple Weather, sorry. So Simple Weather is just a super, like the app name itself, simple. Like the app is super simple, and what it does, of course, is just show the weather on the toolbar so that you can see how cold it is outside or how hot it is depending on where you live, of course. But what I also like about it is if you tap on it, click on it, you get to also see much more detailed information about the weather, like the wind speed, humidity, rain, all that stuff. So you get to see much more stuff in detail as well. And like I said, it's a super lightweight app, and you'll probably like use it every single day to check from your computer how cold it is outside or how warm it is, so that you're prepared whenever you need a break, maybe from working too much. You just need to go outside just to reboot your mind and everything. And so yeah, it's just a super simple app. Simple Weather is just a fantastic weather app for the Mac if you're looking for something lightweight and simple. Next, we have a cool app that I just currently found out about called hiddenme. So hiddenme is a fun, cool app that allows you to hide your icons. So if you're like me, you have a ton of icons all over your Mac. And so this is like the first time that you see in the video right here while I'm talking to you is me using hiddenme. So I have all my apps that I usually have on the desktop all gone and hidden. And that's the magic of hiddenme, is that it hides all your apps or all your applications that you have on your desktop, and for maybe a video and everything, so that I could look super clean, or you just sometimes don't want to see all those applications that you have on your desktop right there. And so yeah, it's just a cool, fun app that I like to use. And yeah, it's really helpful, of course, if you're a creator and everything, if you want to make videos and everything, to have something clean like that. And it's just a fantastic app. The app is free to download as well. And yeah, I highly recommend it for anybody who just wants to have a clean background and setup when you have a lot of files all over your desktop right there. Next, we have an app called Alfred. So Alfred is a fun app that allows you to quickly search for stuff, anything that you want quickly on the Mac. So how it works, pretty simple, of course. You just search whatever you're looking for from programs, music, also from the web as well. So I've been using it to search a lot of stuff from the web without having to open Chrome or anything. Just quickly search with Alfred, and it'll open up Chrome automatically because that is the default browser for me. And then also for programs, sometimes I'm just too lazy to launch Launchpad, so I just use Alfred to search the program and click enter, and it opens up the program for me. So yeah, it's just a super simple app, but really powerful, of course. There's still so much that you can do with Alfred as well. I haven't really gotten to the everything to it, since I just started playing with that app as well. But yes, I highly recommend it if you're a person that like uses a lot of programs or just doesn't want to waste a lot of time when you're on the computer, you're quickly searching for stuff, then Alfred is the app for you. And next and not last, we have an app called CleanMyMac. So CleanMyMac is a cool app that allows you to clean your Mac. So what it does is, of course, it will like help you uninstall programs, help you clean up your trash, help you optimize your Mac so that it can run much more faster and better. And so yeah, it's just a super cool app. The app is free to download, but there is an app subscription that allows you to unlock all the other cool pro features to it. So yeah, like right now I'm only using the free version, so all my uninstalling and everything that I've been doing, it has already been used up. So if I want to use it more, I have to of course pay up. And so yeah, but the app right now, it's really useful. You get to see how much memory you have left in a really easy dashboard. You get to easily clean your trash, just see how your computer is running, because since my Mac is my main way of doing stuff on the web and just making videos, of course, I want to have it, of course, always up to date and just have it running really fast as possible. And so yeah, CleanMyMac is just one way that I'm using now that app to help me optimize my Mac a little bit much more. So yeah, but maybe in the future I will unlock the pro features, but for now I'm only using the free version right now. So yeah, those are the top apps, the top 5 Mac apps that I'm currently using right now to help me optimize my workflow on the Mac. So like I said, the first app, of course, was Unsplash. Second one was simpleweather, and then of course hiddenme, Alfred, and of course CleanMyMac. So that's it for now, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel, or also like the video. Comment below what Mac apps you use to upgrade and optimize your workflow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.